Hello, YouTube. I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy's Makeup Adventures. And as you can see, we have a new background. And this video is all about how I'm pissed about the new background. So buckle up. Pardon me, I have been not so well. To go get my nails done tomorrow. I've been trying to clean up this mess of a house, wreck of a house, really. I have decided that I am going to just film a sale video at this point. I did 2 of the eyeshadow declutters. We're going to do a sale video, and then I will show you guys what's in my final collection, because I just don't. And this is Chaos saying hello because she has to say hello in every video. So guys, if you look behind me, this background was supposed to be a photography background, basically. It's supposed to be cream sparkles. It did say that it wasn't going to be actual glitter, so not to expect that. And if there were wrinkles, you could wash it. Okay. It looks like a damn shower curtain, okay? It does. It looks like a damn shower curtain. I'll put in the picture of what I bought. Now, you may say, it was only 20 bucks, it's a learning experience, blah, blah, blah. Yes, it is those things. I am definitely trying to find like how people end up with really nice backgrounds, and where they buy them at. I am thinking about just hanging up blanket or something, like a furry white blanket or something, because I can't stand the wrinkles. It makes my background look like I'm sitting on the bathroom floor with a shower curtain behind me. And it is only 20 bucks. But 20 bucks is 20 bucks. Is it not? 20 bucks is 20 bucks. And we all want the things that we buy to be good things. So, like I said, I'm going to put basically like make and model and a picture up for you guys so that you can see what I ordered and then what I got. But anyway, the whole studio has changed. I've got all of my mirrors up right next to me. All of my Jeffree Star mirrors are on the wall, so they're accessible. I can grab whichever mirror I want to use in a video. I have my Jeffree Star collection is sitting right over to this side. And then I have a spot to photograph and swatch new palettes. So the palette that I have on my eyes today is the Natasha Denona Love Palette. I put out a community post saying that this palette was on sale at Sephora for $32.50. I was able to snag this. I got some sort of discount on top of that, and I don't know I don't remember what it was, but it's a beautiful palette. It's almost kind of like, I would say Natasha Denona is like grown-up makeup, if that makes any sense, y'all. I hate this kind of palette because you can see every single time you've ever touched it. So I'm going to put up a picture of the swatches, and we'll be doing a video dedicated to this, or just kind of like a Sephora video featuring this, because I do want to do maybe like a tutorial or something with it. This look ended up darker than I would have liked. I kind of like it when a palette has super light shimmers, and some of them are like this one's a super light shimmer, and so is the silver. But I so badly wanted to play with this one because of the duochrome effect that it has. And I do have that across both lids. It's just somehow the blending, all the colors go in together so beautifully and they blend so beautifully that you kind of can't see individual colors, which is what most people really love about their makeup. And so I bought that palette because Tati Westbrook, one of her recent videos, I think it's like luxury that's worth the splurge or whatever like that. Natasha Denona was one of the things that she suggested. She actually used in that video the mini Natasha Denona Love. And, you know, she always looks fantastic and she has very good taste. So I wanted to try a big Natasha Denona palette to see what the quality was. Like I said, the blend is effortless. Each color melts into the next one, and that is awesome. So like I said, it's a little darker than I would like, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So, we're done talking about that, and I'm sorry for the shower curtain background. I was so excited to get this, guys, and when I got it, I was like, you have got to be flipping kidding me. And that's kind of just how the last, I don't know, hi baby, she's been fed and petted and spoiled and all of those things. So anyway, I don't know how everybody else's 2021 has gone, but mine has been the shit show to end all shit shows. I don't even know, like, I feel like doing Christmas pictures to put in some sort of newsletter or something to say, look how awful it was, and we survived. We eked by. I don't know how anybody else is doing, like I said, but it has been literally the shittiest year of my life, and the last 2 months specifically, with my poor kid having to be in the hospital for so many different things. And he was in a very critical spot this year, and haven't been in that critical of a situation since he was a baby going through chemotherapy. So it's just been awful, and it's stressful on my daughter. And so it's so much. I went to the doctor this week, and my blood pressure, I was like, I don't know what's going on. I think I need to see a doctor. I keep flashing red from head to toe. Like, I will literally be sweating buckets and from head to toe go completely red. And I was like, gosh, these hot flashes have gotten out of control. I thought that they would be, you know, kind of loosening up since I had my hysterectomy and oophorectomy so long ago. And I'm at the doctor, and she's just about to take my blood pressure, and I'm telling her that my body goes red and all that. And then it happened. She watched it happen, and she took my blood pressure, and she was like, well, it's probably because your blood pressure is like stroke level, really bad, really bad. And I have taken a well, okay, let me say that the correct way. I'm supposed to take, I forget what it's called, a blood pressure medicine. I'm supposed to take a blood pressure medicine, and I always forget to take it. And she was like, you need to remember so you don't die. And I was like, oh yeah, that's like super important. Son of a bitch. So it's the classic thing where depression, anxiety, chronic illness all kind of work on each other, and you're constantly going through this wave of I'm sick, then I'm depressed because I was sick, and then I'm okay for a minute, but I'm overwhelmed because now I have to do all the stuff that I didn't get done before, and then we just start over again. And it's just a constant thing. And so I hope that 2022 is about like leaving some of that behind. There's not really a great way to do that, being that Ehlers-Danlos and the kinds of things like it, they don't generally see a remission. But if I can just take my medicine and keep putting one foot in front of the other, I swear sometimes I'm like, okay, I have way too much to do. I'm putting too much on my plate. I'm doing too much. I can't keep doing this. And then I do it. So I guess that's the takeaway. Now, I don't know if any of this is making any sense. It's very late at night, but I finally got to play in makeup and put on a full face of makeup. This is the first time in several days that I've been able to do this. I really like putting on makeup. It's very stress relieving for me, and it makes me feel like I'm okay. And I love to do it. So, anywho, I don't know. Send me or, comment down below some ideas on a background that, because I see so many YouTubers, and what I did was I Googled like YouTuber backdrop, photography backdrop kind of thing, and it totally looks different in its pictures. I really want something nice that's not folded looking like a shower curtain. And I swear, when I got it out of the packaging and put it up, it wasn't wrinkled like this, but it is now. How does that happen? How does that happen? Tell me how that happens. I don't get it. Okay, and something that I'm going to leave you with today. Okay, first, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying really hard to drive up my subscriber numbers. I'm so happy that you guys watch my videos, and I hope that you enjoy them. We are going to be doing so many adventures coming up in November. I'm going to be filming so many videos on our 12 days of giveaways. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys the lineup very soon. I need to announce giveaway winners, do a sale video, do a makeup collection video, then start Christmas and holiday makeup, and it's buckle up because we're going to be in for a ride. I'm trying to limit purchases in the month of November because I have been consistently buying between 5 and 8 new palettes a month, and it's like, why do I need all that? I don't. So anyway, hopefully y'all aren't super jaded because it's been so long about these giveaways. I can't wait to see who wins the sheep. The sheep is so cute. Oh no, it's not a sheep, it's a yak. Mr. Yak. Come here, Mr. Yak. Mr. Yak. I love my yak. I hug him all the time. I don't know who wouldn't like a big pink fuzzy yak. So, there are quite a few giveaways open. And I am going to be picking winners. I'm hoping to do that tomorrow. I'm actually hoping to drop quite a few videos tomorrow. So it'll be today. So I'm putting this video that I'm filming on Wednesday, I'm putting that up on Thursday. And I'm hoping to film tomorrow, Thursday, and put up stuff as well, because I have to do what's new in makeup. I think I can't remember, could I, should I, would I, something like that. I'm supposed to do that every Thursday, so I'm going to do that. And we are going to do the coveted rose quartz palettes. The rose quartz. Guys, this palette. Come on now. Look at it. I have not even swatched it. I am so excited. I cannot wait to do this on camera. We're going to swatch and we are going to play. And I'm so anxious to see how that weird looking one, the glossy one, is gonna go. I don't know. I'm really excited about that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And I know that this was just a chatty video. I'm just kind of like, you know, catching up with you guys and everything. And I'm going to focus on peace and self-love and all of that. My blood pressure and just making sure that I'm staying calm. So, this is a rock. My friend Julie paints rocks. She does them with a paint pour method. And I took this rock. She said I could pick one out. This was a long time ago. And I picked out the one that said, "Prove them wrong." Isn't it gorgeous? It's so pretty. And prove them wrong, guys. Like, whoever is telling you you can't, you can. And I hope I'm going to keep that on my desk. And we're going to keep charging forward here on Mandy's Makeup Adventures. I would like for this someday to be my full-time job. And right now I'm going to work 3 jobs so that I can do this. I'm really enjoying it. And I hope you guys are enjoying it also. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button. We love you guys. I will see you on the next adventure.